Fairhaven House, a residence perched on Victoria's rugged surf coast in southeastern Australia. Designed by LTD Architectural Design Studio in collaboration with DOOD Studio, this dwelling engages directly with its coastal context, both in form and materiality. Approaching the house, one is struck by its assertive geometry. The facade is wrapped in Unicoat steel cladding and timber, giving the building a robust presence against windswept dunes and native vegetation. From both street level and aerial viewpoints, the exterior reads as a sculptural object embedded in landscape. Fairhaven House is arranged across two primary levels. Entry is at the ground floor, which contains the central living spaces, an open plan for kitchen, dining, and living, as well as the master bedroom with its ensuite and walk-in robe, and a second bedroom and bathroom. Descending to the lower level, you find additional programmatic space: a third bedroom, a laundry and mudroom, another bathroom, and a flexible den that can function as a fourth bedroom or quiet workspace. This layered spatial organization supports both private retreat and communal activity. Inside, the material palette evokes an earthy resonance. Considerable use of timber, feature stone, and polished concrete creates a tactile interior environment. Timber cladding lines both walls and ceilings, crafting continuity and warmth within the living spaces. The living area on the ground floor opens outward to an extensive deck that frames panoramic views of the surf coast. This threshold blurs interior and exterior, encouraging engagement with the coastal outlook and shifting light throughout the day. Accent elements, such as deep green cabinetry in the kitchen and bathrooms, introduce color without disrupting the otherwise restrained, natural palette. These subtle interventions anchor interior spaces to the surrounding landscape's tones. The collaboration between architectural and interior design studios is evident in the thoughtful choreography of space, where movement through the house feels intuitive, and where both communal and private areas are positioned to maximize experiential quality. The master bedroom is deliberately oriented toward the iconic Great Ocean Road, providing not just views, but a spatial relationship to the wider coastal geography, a reminder that the house is both a refuge and a vantage point. Beyond the building's walls, landscape design plays a vital role. Native grasses and resilient coastal plantings are introduced to soften transitions and allow the architecture to recede gracefully into its natural setting over time. Fairhaven House embodies an architectural strategy that balances shelter and exposure. Its form appears sculpted by wind and terrain, responding to the unpredictable rhythms of the coast through orientation and material expression. In its integration of context, materiality, and spatial sequence, Fairhaven House invites a broader reflection on how contemporary residential architecture can thoughtfully engage with place, not merely as backdrop, but as an active design partner.